Have you ever wondered how a professional YouTuber has his mic settings so good? The bass is perfect, the treble is perfect, everything is just it's perfect. It's smooth like cake, like butter. It sounds so amazing. One, they could either be having a professional microphone or they are using Voicemeeter. Now I'm gonna talk about Voicemeeter today. So it's that simple to download Voicemeeter. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to download the software. And I'm gonna do a little test video on my blue snowball right here if you want to see the difference in Voicemeeter. So I'm gonna do one test with just the plain raw audio with the blue snowball and another test with Voicemeeter on the blue snowball. So let's get right into it. This is the audio test with the blue snowball without Voicemeeter. And this is the audio test with the blue snowball with Voicemeeter. So do you see the difference? Comment down below if you hear the difference, and if you want a tutorial on how to download this, I will make a tutorial video for this. There will be another video about Audacity. Now Audacity is a audio software, so you make your voice better. Even with Voicemeeter, all I have to do with Voicemeeter just add a little bit of compression, a little bit more bass and treble, and that's it. I'm not going to edit Voicemeeter because I want you guys to have the full-on experience of what Voicemeeter can do with your microphone. So like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications bell, and share this video. You already know what it is. Peace out. I would like to give Voicemeeter a good shout out. Click the link in the description box below if you want to see a tutorial video on how to download this. Not my video, I will not be posting a tutorial video on this, but click the link in the description box below if you want to download it. Enjoy.